Hey, Selfi TV, Wagwan, here's truly Kanabis representing right now. Big up to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, the whole social media. All if you have a smart TV, whether you just buy a Lucky Dollar or Flow in a Jamaica, this is one you have to pick up. Remember the party, the exact on the boss, I go mention the party to the whole world. The one and only Crazy Chris.
Remember, you know, big up Nuts, big up the whole Bermingam. You don't know Signature, you don't know the grand opening and cookout. This Saturday, you don't know Bermingam. You see me, England, the thing, you don't. Bermingam finds DJs and you don't. Bouncing Castle, a bag of thing. Check out the kitchen. The new restaurant on the block. The grand opening, Signature. Everybody did it, the 13th. This Saturday, August the 13th. Bermingam, upper one place. Love.
Yeah, man. So, remember, all if you are traveling from Jamaica, remember, you can book your seats, book your tickets from now if you got a party because from Jamaica to Bermingam, the thing will go fully up. You know what I mean? So, we keep it Selfi with me here, truly Kanabis, Refujeez, and the ends.
Now, I say Saturday, right, that's up.
Right,
Sunshine Plaza, right, that's up. Shop 30 and the 13. You don't know, I will go spot you complete. You go food, have a drink, you don't know the fish fry this Saturday.
Right.
Lower that one.
So, you know, after from in the day, straight to Songsters Airport, fly out. I'm going to take me an hour for reach a burger. Right? So everything fully up. So big up to Selfi TV, keep it going on time. Hopefully. Load our place. Up!